Greetings, it's Dave Dickinson here from AstroGuys.com, and I thought I'd give you a quick tour of the gear that I'm going to be using for the Transit of Venus this June 5th, evening of June 5th, 2012. I decided I'm going to have all guns on deck here. I'm going to go with tried and true technology, things I know work. I thought about streaming it or trying to do some rather experimental things, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to watch visually with this Coronado through hydrogen alpha. It's a little hard to shoot through that. I can shoot through it. I am going to use the DSLR piggybacked right here. I got it bore sighted, and I've got a Baader solar filter film on that and a filter mask on the C8, and I'm going to do video at the same time. I don't know if you can see. I've got the sun in there right now, and I've been experimenting with it today. But I've got a JVC video camera hooked up afocally through a 42mm eyepiece, and that's just aimed at that. And I'm going to shoot visually. Probably the key things that I want to shoot is the ingress. We've got ingress here, and we've got about 2 hours of the 6-hour transit that evening. Hopefully it will be clear. The weather forecast looks like it's going to be clear at that time. Florida, it's always a crapshoot in the afternoon if it's going to be clear or not. And right now it's kind of, we're getting the edges of subtropical storm Beryl here this Sunday afternoon. It's May 27th, 2012. But we're hoping that this rig here will catch the transit for posterity. Something fun we were doing was shooting it in sepia with the video. We might actually come out with a older looking kind of video for the transit. Might be kind of a unique little bit of detail. But that is it. That is the rig we're going to use to shoot the transit.
You know, to shoot it in sepia like this, like I'm trying right now, you can see the sunspots. It's not too dusty, and it kind of gives it an old 1900s look. It might actually be kind of cool to shoot the video in sepia. I'm probably just going to do the ingress of Venus, because that's all we're going to see here from Florida. But we might have a winner here. It's kind of a cool little setup.